Today I am going to show you how to make the most delicious mug cake. I'm eating it now. Weight Watchers, 3 points, guys, 3 points. Keep watching, you're gonna love this video. Okay, so now what you need to make this delicious mug cake. The first 2 ingredients are a must, because if you don't have it, you don't have your mug cake. You need a devil's food, a box of devil's food, and a box of angel food. You need a gallon size bag. I believe this is a gallon or quart size, you know, the big bags. You need a mug. I'm using this mug. It's from Weight Watchers. My sister bought it for me. It says you take the cake. You need your measuring cups, measuring spoons. You need water and things that you want to, like toppings, things that you want to put on top, if you want to put on top. I have Cool Whip here, and I have fresh fruit. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our cake mix and we are going to put it in the bag. Just dump it in the bag. That's it. Dump it in the bag. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Like so. And I'll take this one. And again, put it in the bag. Put that aside. Make sure you have some air in here, because you're going to close it and you're going to mix it up. So you're going to shake it all. You're going to shake it until it's evenly, there we go, incorporated. So that's it. You're just going to shake it. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. You'll see that, see, you can tell that it's not mixed, so just keep mixing. This might take a few minutes. Okay, so now that it's evenly incorporated, we're going to take the mug and we're going to put 1/3. So this is a half, this is 1/3. You're gonna take your 1/3 cup, just like so. Put it in your cup. Okay, put that aside. Going to take a tablespoon of water. I have my water right here. Take a tablespoon and just put it into the mixture. And you're just going to stir. Now, I made this. I'm going to show you. It gets very thick. But I actually made this. Oh my God. When I was done mixing this, I put a dollop of peanut butter right on top. And when I cooked it, when I microwaved it, after the 1 minute, the peanut butter was on the inside. It tasted, seriously, it tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cake. You can do that with PB too if you want lower points. So, yeah, this is a 3-point meal like this, just like plain. But if you add the Cool Whip, you have to add the points. It depends on how much Cool Whip you want. If you want 2 tablespoons, I believe it's 1 point. The fruit is free. Okay, so this is what it should look like. See, it should have the consistency of that. Can you see that? Let's see if you can see. Let me get up. Like that. Like a peanut butter type consistency. That's how you want it. So, you want it to be even in the cup. And now, we're going to microwave for 1 minute. So I will be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so 1 minute has passed and here is your mug cake. Now I know it looks a little foamy on top. That's okay. Now you can put your topping on just like this and eat. Wow, it's hot. And you can eat it through the mug. I personally like to dump it out onto the plate and put it on, like the fruit and the toppings all over. So if you want to dump it on the plate, you're just going to take your spoon, go around the edges, just like so. And we're going to dump it. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's hot. Look at that steam. Can Can you see that? It looks, can you see that? Is it clear? Oh, look at that. Oh, it is delicious. Gosh, now I cannot wait to put my toppings on. What? This is the best part. Get your Cool Whip. I love Cool Whip. And I'm going to put my dirty spoon in there because I don't have a whatever. And you're going to put like, I don't know, 1 tablespoon. Look at that. And you can wait until it cools off if you want. You're going to take your fresh fruit. I happen to like little berries. This don't have raspberries. I was really hoping for raspberries, but we have some fruit, some strawberries, some raspberries. Yes. And there you go. Look at that. How delicious. Oh, now we're going to do my thumbnail. Okay, so just bear with me. Here's my thumbnail. No. Here's my thumbnail. Let's do this now. Here's my thumbnail. Awesome. So now for the taste test. Let's do the taste test. Look at this. You want some? So delicious. Yeah. The whipped cream is getting very melting. So I suggest you wait until it cools down before you eat it. And have it with the blueberry. This is absolutely delicious. It's so good. So if you're on Weight Watchers or any plan and you want a low calorie cake while everybody's eating that birthday cake and you need some, okay, and you need something that's low in calories, I would definitely suggest making this. You get the same flavor for like hardly any calories. Alright, I'm gonna go enjoy this. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. So delicious. Alright, I gotta go. Love you all.